So Christmas is just around the corner. You're looking for smartphones. There's smartphones that are £1,700, £1,500, £12, £1,000, £700, £800, like ridiculously priced smartphones. And people are paying monthly bills of sometimes £60, £70 a month just to use their smartphones and the mobile data and all that sort of stuff. It is really, really expensive for a lot of people. Now I have a phone here which, for the majority of people, probably won't break the bank. You buy the phone and then you just buy a SIM-only contract for maybe, what, £15 a month or something like that. This is the Motorola G56. This is a budget smartphone, £199. It's a breath of fresh air for a lot of people. If you're looking for a phone that does the basics, this definitely does that. Now, with it being £199, you do get what you pay for. If you pay £1,200 for a smartphone, you're going to get a lot better specs, like camera quality, video quality, sound quality and stuff like that. But if you're looking for a break, £199, this is really good, and it gets all the basics absolutely bang on. You can make phone calls. Hi. Yeah. For £199, what do you get? So for a start, this is IP68 and IP69 rated. We have protection against dust, dirt, sand, water, and you can, if you want, dip it into water up to 1.5 meters. It has 2 times better drop and scratch resistance, and it has Corning Gorilla Glass 7i protecting that display. So the frame of the phone is made of plastic, and on the back we have like a silicon polymer material, which is quite nice, looks nice, adds that bit of grip as well, which is great. At the bottom we have a headphone socket, USB-C connector. On the right hand side we have a power button with an integrated fingerprint sensor. We have the volume buttons just above that. On the other side we have a SIM tray. You can house a nano SIM and a micro SD card in there if you wish. Now, of course, we will have a budget display. This is an LCD panel, 6.7 inches. It does have a resolution of 1080p, but it does have 120 Hz refresh rate. And although it doesn't look obviously as beautiful as an OLED does, it definitely does do the job. So we have a 5200 milliamp hour battery with 30 watt charging. Now, I'm quite a heavy user on smartphones, no matter what I'm doing, if I'm doing gaming or just general browsing and stuff. Obviously everyone's usage is different, but you should be able to squeeze a full day use out of this. If you're just a sort of a casual user, you might get a good couple of days out of it. And we have the MediaTek Dimensity 7060 processor. Performance wise, this smartphone's been fine. I've been playing Call of Duty, also Rocket League as well, and it's handled it just fine. So in the UK on the website, they are selling this with 8GB of RAM internally and 256GB of internal storage. We have Dolby Atmos, so we have stereo speakers, one at the bottom and one in the earpiece. The sound quality is decent. Obviously you're not going to get those really like premium, rich, low-end sounds from a smartphone at this price point, but they're definitely decent. You get Android 15 straight out of the box, and I'm told you're being promised 2 years of OS updates. So let's finish on the camera system. We have a 50 megapixel main sensor, and on the whole the photos are good. Performs well in portrait mode, and the 8 megapixel ultra wide produces some decent results as well. So on the rear you can shoot 1080p 60 in video, and I found stabilization to be quite acceptable. Oh, right, yeah. I was quite surprised how well it performed in night photography as well, some good results. We have a 32 megapixel selfie camera, and for video that is limited to 1080p 30. I thought the results were really good. Stabilization was great as well. Purposes in the video. Nice. It's only like 1080p as well on the front.
It's good.
Yeah.
So you need like to say obviously when I did that Ringfest one, obviously there's loads of people who film this shit, but I still got like funny.
I think you're getting a nice, trusty and reliable camera system on the G56. So does the G56 get my juices flowing personally? No, it doesn't. From a price point perspective and what you get, it is brilliant. It gets the basics right. It's not a phone that's designed to get the juices flowing of someone like me who loves their tech. I love bright, vivid displays, superb camera quality with like 10 times zoom, a 4K 60, and large batteries. That's the sort of phones that I like. But there's phones for everyone out there. Phone companies need to cater for everyone. High-end, mid-range, budget. And Motorola have done an excellent job getting everything right on this for the right price. So yeah, it's nearly Christmas. So if you're looking for something budget-friendly, that I don't know, for yourself, for your parents, even for your kids, then take a look at the Motorola G56 5G. I will include links in the description as well. It's $199. I think I even saw an offer today. I think it was on Very. It's like 150 something pounds. So you might even get it even cheaper than that, which I think is an absolute steal. So thank you all very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.